Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am here in Maui with Qualcomm, and we are actually here, just finished up the keynote right at day one, and there was a lot of good things obviously that they talked about, but obviously the main things that we saw today, they teased us a little bit with the brand new Snapdragon 865 and the brand new Snapdragon 865 and 765, the two new chipsets, and hopefully we're going to see a lot more devices and a lot more Internet of Things supporting those two chipsets. The biggest thing is that we saw some major OEMs here that also talked about some of their new devices, specifically Xiaomi, Motorola, Oppo, and HMD. And let's go ahead and recap day one from the Tech Summit here in Maui with Qualcomm. This is TK and this is XDA TV. Today is day one of the event. There's actually 3 days of this. The major announcement obviously today, as you probably already heard, is that the brand new 865, they teased us a little bit about the 865, the 765 and the 765G. The G mostly focusing on gaming, and those are going to be basically the major processors from Qualcomm in 2020, powering most of the devices that we're going to see. Obviously there will be others, but those are the main ones they wanted to talk about today. We saw some presentations, or actually some announcements from different OEMs. I'm talking about Xiaomi, talking about the Mi 10. I'm also talking about Oppo, HMD with Nokia, as well as Motorola, talking about their commitment to using Snapdragon processors in 2020 on devices that they have either currently going on or coming out very soon. Specifically with the Reno one, hopefully you guys probably already got that tweet from us. The main thing I want to share with you guys today is there's a lot more coming in day 2 and day 3, hopefully more specifications as to how these new chipsets will function, and as well, of course, more information about the X55 modem that's hopefully going to be powering all of the 5G things that are related here. Lastly, we actually did have a presentation done by Verizon talking about their 5G implementation. They have a very good 5G coverage here in Maui. I'm trying to see if I can get my hands on a 5G enabled device so I can see how fast. They were probably seeing 2 gig download per second. So that's something I still have to basically see how the performance is. But let's go ahead and keep it here. Like and subscribe as usual. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on Twitter to be able to get all of the updates as I'm posting them with live updates here from Maui. Like and subscribe as usual, and thank you very much for the support. I'll see you guys in the next video.